Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade Kissan jam using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of your favorite ripe fruit, like juicy mangoes or a mix of berries. Next, measure out 750 grams of granulated sugar, which is crucial for both taste and preservation. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. It brightens the flavor and helps the jam set beautifully. Finally, have your clean, sterilized jars and lids ready to go. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the fruit. Begin by washing your chosen fruit thoroughly under cool running water to remove any dirt or residue. If you're using fruits like apples or peaches, peel and core them carefully. Then, chop all the fruit into small, uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/2 inch cubes. This ensures even cooking. Once chopped, transfer all the prepared fruit into a large, heavy-bottomed pot, ready for the next step. It's time to cook our delicious jam. Add the measured sugar and lemon juice directly to the chopped fruit in the pot. Stir everything together well. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, stirring constantly to prevent sticking. Once boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer gently for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring frequently. To check for doneness, place a small spoonful on a chilled plate. If it wrinkles when pushed, it's ready. Our homemade jam is almost ready. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your pre-sterilized jars, being sure to leave about 1/4 inch of headspace from the rim. This is important for proper sealing. Wipe the jar rims clean with a damp cloth to ensure a good seal, then securely fasten the lids. Let the jars cool completely on your countertop for several hours. Once cool, store your delicious homemade Kissan jam in a cool, dark place for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.